Roofr tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Roofr, the best roofing software in the market. Roofr is an all-in-one sales toolbox for roofers that helps you streamline your business with instant estimates, measurement reports, and project-winning proposals. In this video, we will show you how to create a new account in Roofr and explore the different features and functionalities. We will also show you how to create a new job and how to generate a stunning proposal in Roofr. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Roofr, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, look for the Start for Free button located at the top right corner next to the Login option. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the registration page. Here, you'll be presented with various sign-up options. You can choose to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Select the method that suits your preferences. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be prompted to provide more information about yourself and your company. Simply follow the prompts and provide the necessary details. After completing the registration process, you will be directed to your account dashboard, where you can start using Roofr's features and tools for all your roofing needs. When you access your account dashboard, you'll see that its interface is very simple and easy to navigate. The dashboard contains a left menu. The left menu offers several important tabs, each catering to specific functionalities. At the top of the menu, you'll find your account section, allowing you to conveniently manage your profile information. The Jobs tab is where you can efficiently track all your records in one place. Here you can view your existing jobs, and if you haven't created any yet, you can do so by clicking the New Job button and following the prompts. In the Customers section, you can easily access and view information about your customers. If you're yet to have any customers, this tab will initially be empty, and you can create a new customer profile by clicking on the New Customer button. For managing leads, the Leads tab comes into play. With the innovative Instant Estimator tool, you can generate leads automatically from your website, streamlining the lead management process. Under the Measurements tab, you can access and view your reports. Additionally, you have the option to create a new report. To do this, click on the Order a Free Roofr Report button and then follow the on-screen prompts. When it comes to creating proposals, the Proposals tab offers a seamless experience. Here, you can transform your measurements into beautifully finished proposals, choosing from per square pricing or selecting from popular roofing systems. To create a new proposal, simply click on the Create Your First Proposal button. The Instant Estimator tab provides you with the convenience of generating leads automatically from your website, thanks to the Instant Estimator tool. In the Financing section, you can explore different financing options available to you, whether it's Service Finance, Sunlight Financial, Mosaic, Moment, Green Sky, or GoodLeap. You can choose the financing provider that best suits your needs. The Help Center offers helpful articles, explainer videos, and frequently asked questions. Finally, the Settings tab allows you to manage various aspects of your account and profile. You can customize user and company profiles, handle subscriptions, manage team settings, configure email preferences, and view purchase history and integrations. Now, let's see how to create a new job in Roofr. To create a new job in Roofr, navigate to the left menu and select the Jobs tab. Once clicked, you'll be directed to the Jobs page, where any previously created jobs will be listed. If you haven't created any jobs yet, this page will initially appear empty. To create a new job, simply click on the New Job button. This action will trigger a pop-up window to appear. In this window, enter the job address and then click on Continue to proceed to the next page, where you can provide additional details about the job. The first step on this page is to add a customer to the job. By associating a customer with the job, you can manage multiple properties for that customer within your business. To add a customer, head to the right menu and click on the Add Customer button located next to the Customer Contact. Upon clicking, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to input the customer's name, email address, and phone number, and then click on the Save button to successfully add the customer to the job. After successfully adding a customer to the job, you can navigate to the bottom of the page, where you have the option to include notes relevant to this specific job. These notes can serve as valuable references or reminders for your team as the project progresses. Once you've added any necessary notes, the next step is to decide on the type of action you want to take for this job. You have three main options: create a DIY report, place an order for a Roofr report, or generate a proposal. Simply click on the corresponding buttons, create a DIY report for a report, order Roofr report for an order, and create proposal for a proposal. Each of these options will lead you through the respective workflows based on your selection. In case you no longer need the job, at the bottom of the page you'll find a Delete Job button. Simply click on this button and the job will be promptly deleted from your account. Once you've completed the necessary steps, you can head back to the left menu and click on the Jobs tab. There you'll see the newly created job listed, displaying important details such as the job address, the assignee responsible for the job, and the associated customer. This organized display enables easy access and management of your jobs, ensuring you stay on top of your roofing projects efficiently. Next, let's see how to create a new proposal in Roofr. To create a new proposal in Roofr, start by navigating to the left menu and select the Proposals tab. Once clicked, you'll be taken to the Proposal page where you can view all the proposals you have previously created. To create a new proposal, click on the Create Your First Proposal button. A pop-up window will appear where you need to choose the option Create Without Measurement. Then enter the job address and click on Create to proceed. Next, you'll have the option to select a template for your proposal. If you wish to use a template, click on Use this template. Alternatively, if you prefer to proceed without a template, click on Create Without Template button. Upon making your selection, you'll be directed to the Proposal page where you can add further details. To add items to your proposal, click on Add Item. In this section, you can input the name of the item, its unit cost, quantity, and other relevant information. To include section headings for better organization, click on the Add Section Heading option. By clicking, the section heading will be created, and you can replace it with a name that best suits your needs. Once you've provided all the necessary details for your proposal, click on the Preview and Send button located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will take you to another page where you can view the proposal you have created. If you want to download it, simply click on Download PDF. To proceed further, click on Send to Customer. This will open a right sidebar where you can enter the customer's email address and then click on the Send Proposal button. Once done, your proposal will be sent to the customer, completing the process. Following these steps, you can efficiently create and send proposals through Roofr, helping you streamline your roofing projects and communication with your clients. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Roofr. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.